My name is Hector Rubio, and I am a service advisor here at Max Motors Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram of Belton. I've been a service advisor for 6 years through Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. The thing that I love most about Max Motors is just creating the small personal relationships I can with each individual customer that we have. It's amazing. You don't feel that anywhere else. So the service department hours are going to be 7:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. on Monday through Fridays, and 7:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Saturdays. The thing that I do that makes a difference here, especially in the service department, is I am bilingual and I help everybody that can speak Spanish, English, whatever it is, you name it, I can help.